Okay, to get started, we are going to put on the spices. This is all up to you how much you want to put on. So we just put the spices on and mix it in. So, after it's mixed, we will start forming the balls of meat. Okay, so we're gonna form the balls of meat into 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're just gonna add meat until they all look even. Now we're gonna form our patties. So we flatten it out into a patty shape. And I'll be back once we do all of them. Okay, so let's get started by preheating our grill. Okay, so we want about medium heat, 400 degrees. And then we'll come back when it's at that temperature. Okay, now that the grill's up to temperature, we'll put on the meat. So what you want to do is you just want to make sure the burners are even heat and just set them on the burner. Now if you can, you only want to flip them once, because then you'll get better grill lines and it'll all be better. Close the grill to keep it hot, because otherwise it won't cook properly. And I'll be back in a minute after they flip the one. Okay guys, it's time to flip them. Aren't they good looking? So, I'm doing 10 minutes aside, and yeah. So now we're actually going to spice them while they're on the grill. So what we're going to do is we're just going to just sprinkle salt and other spices on top. So we're just going to use our other spices. Again, it's whatever spices you want to use. And that'll give them some great flavor. And yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're going to take off the ones that are done, and then we'll add the cheese to the other ones. Okay, now we're just going to put on the cheese. Now we're doing it on there because when it's cooked in, it tastes a lot better. This one just needs to cook a little longer, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're going to take off the one over here because it's done as well. And the other ones, we're just going to wait for the cheese to melt. Okay, now we're just going to take them off. And okay, I'll show you a finished product in a minute. Here's our finished product.